Assalamualaikum guys. In this video, I want to demonstrate, make learn of the concept. One of the mathematical concept is there a triangle in a given side. If I gave a two number, check whether the number. Yeah, if I gave a three number, then check whether the given number is on triangle or not. So to find that, I want to implement in the program itself. So I want to print as the length of this sides, and k a equals to, I want to take in the float data type, which is in the input field, and also in the text a equals to, here I want to give a equals to 5. Okay, I want to take b as float, b equals to float, which is also in the input field, in the text of b equals to, and the b value is 2, for example. And I want to take c as float as the same thing in the field of input, and in the text of c equals 2. Okay, also wanted with double parenthesis. I want to give c equals 4.5 for my convenience. The condition here begins is if a plus b is greater than c, and at the same time a plus c is greater than b, and at the same time b plus c is greater than a, then I have to print that the triangle exists. Triangle exists. Then else part is to print triangle does not exist. Not exist. If I run this, then it will give me the triangle exists because the condition satisfies in the if statement itself. So thank you guys for being with me. So this kind of concept must be learned by you in this competitive world. So stay tuned with my channel. Don't be forgotten to share, subscribe, like, comments. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you guys.